Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to return product with return reason in POS. So let's see about that how it works. You can see here module Dev POS Order Return. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to POS app. Go to configuration menu and under the settings provided here option Order Return. Now configure here return policy days, like I want here total 2 days, and also provided below this two option. If you want to require a reason, so allow this and also provided this option when you return your order then require manager approval. So let's save. Now go to configuration and go to this menu return reason, and here also configure this or return like a defective, wrong item receipt, customer change, damage, etc. Now first go to products and go to anyone like block screen. Under this part of site type provided here option non-returnable in POS. Here I would like to make sure that if any customer purchases this block screen product and he wants return, that it's not happen because it's allowed here. Now go to dashboard and open register for this furniture shop and display here no return label on this block screen product. So when you create order for this block screen, now add here customer, do payment by using method this customer account and do validate this, and see here now order created for this block screen. Now go to your created order and when you try to refund this, then display here warning non-returnable product because already set it for this non-returnable option. So okay this. Now I want to create order for this desk lab seat, and now select here customer. Now payment by using method customer account and validate this. Now I want to create order for this drawer product. So select this product. Now add here customer and do payment. And display here your order created for this drawer. Now go to your created order. And I want to refund. And provided here all return reason. Now need to hide here like this product for a wrong item received. So add this, and if you want to write here any additional note, then easily write here. Now confirm this and display here this store is being displayed as a minus quantity, and now go to backend and check there under this reporting menu and this return analysis, and also display here this wrong item receipt, quantity return is a 1 and the total amount return. Display here as a pivot view, graph view and list view. Again go to dashboard and continue sharing. Now go to your created all order. We configure 2 days return policy, but here I want to select 22 date on order. So select here this product and now click on this refund button, and then display here return policy expired. This order was placed 5 days ago and your return are only allowed within 2 days. So using this our app, you can easily track your return order with return reason. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.